Hello students, today we are going to learn the last chapter from our textbook. It is the 16th chapter named Dosti. Okay, Dosti यानी friendship. Mitrita, another word for Dosti is Mitrita. Here we are going to learn a story in between two friends. Okay, and the incident happened, the story occurred in a place, in a nagar, in a kingdom where the administrator was Maryadaraman named person. Okay, administrator of that area, that kingdom, he was Maryadaraman. Okay, and we are going to learn about this chapter mainly. It's about the jealous and all. That means don't be jealousy. Seeing others progress, don't be jealousy. That's the message that we get from this chapter. Okay. It's a beautiful story, interesting story. So let me read the chapter for you. पाठ प्रवेश इज लाइक दिस। प्रस्तुत कहानी में दर्शाया गया है कि हमें दूसरे की उन्नति से ईर्ष्या नहीं करनी चाहिए। वी शुड नॉट फील जेलस सीइंग अदर्स प्रोग्रेस। उन्नति यानी प्रोग्रेस। हमें नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए तथा व्यर्थ लोभ नहीं करना चाहिए। हमें नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। वी शुड फॉलो द रूल्स। वी शुड always follow the rules of our what you call kingdom or whatever it may be, where we are living, the societies, the rules of our societies. We have to follow the rules. Okay, this is also the message, one more message that we get from this chapter. Okay, now this chapter is like, the story is like this. I'll read it for you. मर्यादरामन नामक एक बुजुर्ग एक नगर के मुखिया थे। एक नगर के, एक टाउन के मुखिया थे। मर्यादरामन नेम टू वन पर्सन। ओके, मुखिया यानी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव, दैट मीन्स द पर्सन हु इज द लीडर, दैट मीन्स हेड ऑफ द प्लेस। ओके, उस नगर में वरदन एवं सोमू नामक दो व्यक्ति अपनी अपनी परचून की दुकान खोलकर व्यापार करते थे। इन दैट नगर देयर वर टू फ्रेंड्स, टू men named Vardhan and Somu. Okay, they were doing their business. They have shops. Okay, and to their own shops, and they are doing business there in the shop. दोनों का व्यापार अच्छी तरह चल रहा था. The business was going smoothly. Okay, for both of them. फिर भी सोमू वर्धन की समृद्धि से जलता था. Then also Somu was very jealous, feeling so jealous to see Vardhan's progress. Okay, हर वक्त वो वर्धन की दुकान पर कौन आता जाता रहता है इसी पर ध्यान देता रहता था। All the time he was looking for the people, those who are coming to Vardhan's shop. Okay, those are coming and going from Vardhan's shop. He was looking for them. That means he was always noticing, looking out, and he was so feeling so jealous for this. Why these people are coming, so many customers are coming to his shop. Okay, like that he was feeling so jealous. कुछ दिनों के बाद, after few days, उसने देखा वर्धन की दुकान पर आने वाले लोगों की संख्या में बढ़ोतरी होने लगी है। After few days he noticed that people are day by day people are coming to Vardhan's shop. Customers are coming there, and there is one increase in the number of people, those who are going to Vardhan's shop. बढ़ोतरी means increase होना। उसके व्यापार की तरक्की देख सोमू के तन बदन में आग लग गई। Seeing his Vardhan's vyapar business is getting progress day by day, Vardhan's business, so he felt so jealous. आग में उसके तन बदन में आग लगी। What is mean तन बदन में आग लगना? That means feeling so jealous, very angry, jealous. अपनी दुकान में व्यापार को उसी तरह बढ़ते न देख वो जल भुन कर रह गया। अपनी दुकान में, in his own shop, people are not coming like that. No, some people are only coming, and he was very jealousy. Means feeling so jealous towards Vardhan. Okay. इसकी इच्छा थी कि वो हर बात में वर्धन से ऊंचा रहे। उसकी इच्छा क्या थी? His desire was to be what you call in high level than Vardhan. Okay, that means he also gets more progress. That's his wish. लेकिन अपने व्यापार को वर्धन की तरक्की न करते देख वो उदास हो गया, and became sad because Vardhan is getting progress, he is getting always progressing, his business is progressing day by day, and his business is not like that, so he became so sad. एक दिन उसकी जलन की आग में घी का काम करने वाली एक घटना घटी। One day उनके उसके इस जेलस को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, बनाने के लिए, वन मोर इंसिडेंट हैपेंड. दैट मीन्स वन मोर इंसिडेंट occurred there which was increasing his jealous. That means which was making more jealous. Okay, what was that incident? घटना यानी इंसिडेंट. उस दिन एक सरकारी अफसर आया और बर्दन से बोला, मर्यादा रामन ने आपको बुलाया है. The incident is like this. One day, one sarkar officer, one government officer came to Vardhan's shop and said that Maryada Raman ने आपको बुलाया है. Maryada Raman called you. Who is Maryada Raman? The head of that nagar. Okay, so he called you. So he was called by, Vardhan was called by Maryada Raman. So Somu heard this. Okay, then Somu सोचने लगा. Somu started to think like this. मुखिया ने याद किया है तो ज़रूर वर्धन बहुत बड़ा व्यक्ति बन गया है. वो मुखिया called him, he was called by मुखिया, then definitely he became very rich, maybe he became great. That's why he was called by whom? मुखिया. कितना महत्वपूर्ण बन गया है वर्धन. Oh, he became so great. No, he became so rich, I think, and popular. That's why he was so jealous. He felt so jealous. Then अगले हफ्ते दोबारा सरकारी अफसर आया और वर्धन को साथ ले आया. Next week, the second time also, this officer came, government officer came to Vardhan's shop and called him. Okay, and took him with him. वो भी सोमू की नज़र से छिपा नहीं था. That incident was also it happened in front of Somu. He saw this, he noticed this. Okay. वह सोचने लगा, again he think like this, मुखिया केवल वर्धन को ही बुला भेजते हैं. मुखिया is only calling वर्धन, not me. मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाते? Why is not calling me? मैं भी तो उसकी तरह प्रसिद्ध व्यापारी हूँ. मैं भी उसकी तरह प्रसिद्ध व्यापारी हूँ. I am also a popular and very good businessman like वर्धन. Then why can't he call me? मैं उससे किस बात में कम हूँ? सोच सोच कर वो घुटने लगा. Thinking like this, he was becoming more jealous, feeling so jealous. अगले दिन सोमू वर्धन की दुकान पर गया. उसने वर्धन से पूछा, मुखिया मर्यादा रामन तुम्हें अक्सर क्यों बुला भेजते हैं? Next day Somu went to his friend's shop, Vardhan's shop, and he asked to him, why you are called by your means you are going to Mukhia, always Mukhia is calling you, what's the reason? वर्धन ने जवाब दिया, he answered like this, हम दोनों के बीच कितनी ही बातें हैं, मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ नहीं बता सकता. Then Vardhan answered like this, the matter what we have, no, I don't want to say to you. Okay, whatever matter happens in between us, I want to share with you. इसे सुनकर सोमू का सिर चकराने लगा. Hearing this, his head started to round. What's with that? Oh, he got more jealous. What you call? He became more jealousy. सोमू मन ही मन तरसने लगा कि काश मुखिया जी मुझे भी उतना ही भाव देते जितना वर्धन को देते हैं. सोमू के मन में ही मन ही मन मतलब in his mind he started to think like this in his mind, perhaps मुखिया will call me also like this, or I will also become popular like Vardhan. No, why he is not calling me like that? He was eagerly waiting for the call from Mukhia. Okay, so here we studied up to here this page. Okay, and did you understand the story till here? And you have to understand about Mukhia. Who is Mukhia here? Maryada Raman, है ना. So उस नगर में कौन कौन व्यापारी थे, कौन कौन थे व्यापारी? वर्धन और सोमू. ओके, उनके दुकान खोलकर अपने दुकान थे उन्हें और वो व्यापार करते थे. देन व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाट मेड सोमू feel jealous towards Vardhan? What's the reason? Because every day people are coming to his shops and customers are going to his shop, and he's getting progress, means always is progressing day by day. His business is progressing day by day. That made him jealous, feeling so jealous. So, and one day the government officer came to whose shop to call him Vardhan, and second time also he was called by Mukhia, and this made him this made Somu more jealous, feeling more jealous, isn't it? And he started thinking like this, perhaps Mukhia will call him also, then he will become more popular, isn't it like that? Okay, this much we said now, and read the paragraphs properly and understand, and read the difficult words which is here: vyapar, tarakhi, afsar, prasanta, samman, mahatvapurna. These are the words. Okay, study all words properly, and here we will get the oral questions like this. मुखिया का नाम क्या था? मुखिया ने पहले किसे बुलाया? वर्धन ने सोमू को क्या बताया? मुखिया ने सोमू को क्यों बुला भेजा? These are the oral questions here. Okay, study, answer the questions yourself. Then read the paragraphs properly and study dictation words. Okay, and we'll meet in next class. Thank you, students.